Hello students, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to start with class 7 syllabus, that is chapter HCF and LCM. In our previous video lecture we have seen how to find out HCF using division method, right? If you have not seen that, you can check the previous video. And today we are going to learn how to find out LCM using prime factors method. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's start. So we have to find out of 12 and 15. We are going with some number first, that is 12 and 15, and we have to find out using prime factor method. 12 and 15. So firstly, we will have to find out prime factor since we are finding LCM by prime factor method. So we have to find out prime factor of 12 and 15. So this will be 2, 6, 2 3s are, and 3 1s are. So prime factor of 12 is 2, 2 and 3. Okay. Similarly, we will find prime factor of 15, which is 3 5s are and 5 1s are, which is 3 into 5. Now while finding LCM, you need to find out two uh, things, that is common factor and non-common factors. So common factors is which is repeating in both the cases, which is 3. So this is your common factor 3. It is appearing in both the cases, right? And 2 is over here but it is not there, so this is non-common factor. So you cannot compare these two because this is prime factor of the same number, right? So this 2 and 2 is non-common factor and this 5 is also non-common factor, correct? Now your LCM will be common factor into non-common factor, so you have to multiply all these four numbers. So that is 3 into 2 into 2 into 5. So that is, this is 10, 2 5s and 3 2s are 6. So this is 60. So the prime factor of 12 and 15 is 60. Okay, let's move on to sum number 2, which is 6, 8 and 10. Now we have to find out LCM of three numbers using prime factor. Okay, so this is 6, 8, 10. So let us first find out prime factor of all this number. So this is 2 3s are 6, 3 1s are, right? So this is 2 into 3. Now let us find out of 8. This is 2 4s are, 2 2s are, 2 1s are. This is 2 into 2 into 2. Now let us find out of 10. This is 2 5s are and 5 1s are. So this is 2 into 5. Now in case of three numbers, when you find out the common factor, so if the number is repeating in all the three factor of all the three numbers, so you can consider that. And if it is repeating in 2, that also can be considered in common factor. So अगर तीनों में रिपीट हो रहा है तो वो भी कॉमन फैक्टर है, अगर सिर्फ दो में रिपीट हो रहा है तो वो भी कॉमन फैक्टर में आप कंसिडर कर सकते हैं. ओके, सो यहाँ पे you can see this 2 is repeating in all the cases, so this is your common factor. So, and non-common factor, is there any another number which is repeating in any two cases? No. So non-common factor में आपका आ जाएगा ये 3, ये 2 into 2 and ये 5. Okay, now we just need to do the multiplication. So this is, sorry, so LCM would be 2 into and all this number 3 into 2 into 2 into 5. So this is 10, 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12. This is 12, so this will be 120. So your LCM is 120 for this sum, which is 6, 8 and 10. Okay, let's move on to third sum, which is 18 and 32. I hope you guys are understanding and it's easy. So we first need to find out the prime factor. So this is 2 9s are 18, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are. So prime factor of 18 is 2 into 3 into 3. Now we need to find out of 32. So this will be 2 1s are 1 carry, 2 6 are 12, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are. So 32 is 2 multiplied 5 times. right? Now we need to find out common factor. So this is 2. So only 2 is the common factor. So in non-common factor, you have all the remaining numbers. So this is 3 into 3 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So when you have to find out LCM, you need to multiply all these numbers. So this is 2 into and all this number 3 into 3 2 2. Now 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. Okay, now we need to multiply this two number, which is 18 into 16. 8 6 is 48, 6 1 is 6, 9 10, 8 18, 2. So this is 288. So the LCM of 18 and 32 is 288. Okay, it's very simple. You need to find out the prime factor. In case if you do not know the prime factor, I have already covered a video lecture on how to find out the prime factor. You can refer that video. In case if you are not able to find out, please write it in the comment section. I'll give you the link of that video. Okay, first you need to find out the prime factor, put that prime factor over here. The next step is to find out the common factor between two or three numbers, and then the non-common factor, and then you need to multiply the common factor with the non-common factor. The product that you will get is your LCM. That's it. Okay, let's move on to sum number 4, which is 10 15 and 20. So 10 15 20, so we already know prime factor of 10 is 2 5s are 10, 15 is 3 5s are 15, and 20 is 2 into 2 into 5 as are 20. Okay, now if you see, so you have common factor that is 5. Okay, and remember, I have told just a few moments ago that if there is number which is common in two numbers, so you can consider that also. So ये 2 भी आप कॉमन फैक्टर में ले सकते हो बिकॉज ये दोनों में कॉमन है. ओके, देन बाकी के जो नंबर बचे हैं वो आपके आ जाएंगे इन नॉन कॉमन फैक्टर, विच इज दिस 3 and this 2. Okay, now when you need to find out LCM, you need to multiply common factor multiplied by non-common factor. So this is 5 2s are 10, 3 2s are 6, so this is 60, and this is your LCM for 10 15 and 20. Okay, I hope you guys are getting it. The next sum is 45 and 86. Now over here we might have to this might take some time for finding out the prime factor. So let's see. So this is 3 1s are 3 5s are 15, 3 5s are 15, 5 1s are. So 45 is 3 into 3 into 5. Okay, now let's go for 86. Now let's find it out for 86. So this is 2 4s are 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 2 1. Sorry, 43. This will not divisible by 2. So let me just check. 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6. Now 43. Is this a prime factor? Is this divisible by 3? No, neither in 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, this is a prime factor. So you can take it 43 into 1. Okay, so the prime factor of 86 is 2 into 43. So the common factor here is, do you see any common factor over here? 3, 3, 5, 2 and 43. So we do not have any common factor. So common factor is by default 1. You cannot take it 0 because anything multiplied by 0 is always 0. So this is nothing but multiplied by 1. So this is your common factor. That is how this 1 comes. Okay. Now your non-common factor is 3 into 3 into 5 into 2 into 43, which is nothing but multiplication of this two number. which is 45 into 86. 6 5 is 30, 6 4s are 24, 8 5s are 40, this 3, 7, 6, 6, 7, 8 4s are 32, and this is 38. So this is 3870. So the LCM of these two number, which is 45 and 86, is 3870. Okay, since we do not have anything common, so our common factor is 1, and all the factor will automatically go as non-common factor, and the multiplication of all this number will be my LCM. Okay, let's move on to next sum, which is 15, 30 and 90. So 15 we already know, it is 3 into 5. This is 3 into 2 into 5, and this is 3 into 3 into 2 into 5. Correct? Now let us find out the common factor in this case, which is this 5, 5, 5, 3, 3, 3, and this 2 also. This 2 also is the common factor. Correct? Now our non-common factor is only single number, which is this 3. Now what will be your LCM? So that will be 5 into 3 into 2 into 3, multiplication of this by this. So that will be, we can take it this way, 5 2s are 10, 3 3s are 9, so this is 90. So your LCM for this is 90. Okay, I hope you guys are getting it. यहाँ पे अगर कहीं पे आपको फोकस करना है, so that is prime factor. Next is 105 and 195. So let us find out prime factor of 105, which is 5 2s are and 5 1s are, 3 7s are 21, 7 1s are. So this is 3 into 5 into 705. Now similar way we can find out a prime factor of 195, which will be 5 3s are 15, 4 carry, 5 9s are 45, 3 1s are, 3 3s are, 13 is prime factor, so this will be 13 into 1. So this is 3 into 5 into 13. Correct? Now let us find out the common factor, which is 3 and 5, which we can clearly see from here, which is 3 into 5, and non-common factor is 7 into 13. This 3 and 5 is common, 7 and 13 is non-common. So our LCM will be 3 into 5 into 7 into 13. So this will be 15, 3 5s are 15 into 7 into 13. So this is simply a multiplication. So let us multiply 15 and 13 first. 5 3s are 15. Correct? 5 3s are 15. 3 1s are 3. 4 5 1s are 5. This will be 9. This will be 1. So 195 multiplied by 7. 7 5s is 35. 9 7s are 63. 66. 7 1s are 7. 13. Correct? So this will be 1365. So your LCM for 105 and 195 is 1365. Okay, let's move on to next sum, which is 12 15 and 45. 12 15 and 45. So 12 we already know, 2 into 2 into 3. 15 we already know, 3 into 5. 45 is 3 into 3 into 5. Correct? Now let us find out the common factor, so which is this 3. Correct? This 3 altogether, then this 5, then this 3 and this 2. These are non-common factor, so we will take it in non-common. 2 into 2 into 3, correct? Now our LCM would be 3 into 5 into 2 into 2 into 3. So which is 3 5 is 15, 15 2 is 30, 30 2 is 60, 63 is 180. So yeah, LCM for 12, 15 and 45 is 180. Okay, let's move on to next sum, which is 63 and 81, and the second last sum for today's lecture. So let us find out for 63, which is 3 2s are 3 1s are 3 7s are 7 1s are. So this is 3 into 3 into 7, correct? Now let's move on to next sum. Sorry, the next factor, which is 81. 3 2s are 6, 3 7s are 21, 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are. So this is 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Okay. Now in terms of common factor, 3 into 3, 3 into 3 is my common factor, and my non-common factor would be 7 into 3 into 3. So my LCM would be 3 into 3 into 7 into 3 into 3, correct? Now we just need to do the multiplication. This is 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9, 9 9s are 81 into 7, 7 1s are 7, 7 8s are 56. So 567 is the LCM of this sum, which is 63 and 81. Okay, let's move on to next sum, which is 18, 36 and 27, and the last sum for today's lecture. 18, 36 and 27. So this will be factor of this. 18 would be 233. So the factor of 36 is 3 into 2 into 2, and the factor of 27 is 3 into 3 into 3, correct? Now let us find out the common factor. So this 3 is one common factor. Now this 3 is a one common factor. This 2 is also a common factor. So we have common factor 3 into 3 into 2, and non-common factor as this two number 2 and 3. So to find out LCM, we just simply need to do multiplication of all this number, common factor and non-common factor, which is 3 into 3 into 2 into 2 into 3. 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18, 18 2s are 36, 36 into 3. So this is 108. So the LCM for 18, 36 and 27 is 108. Okay, I hope you guys have understood this sum. By watching this video, you should be able, in case if I have gone too fast, try to pause it and watch it again. Still not clear, let me know in the comment section. I'll try to help you. So jaldi milte hain with our next part of this exercise very soon. Till then, take care. See you soon.